Hello guys, this is Keyapp platform for app analytics and app keyword promotion. Before watching this video, please subscribe to our channel to get all the news about App Store optimization as well as to receive updates from our service. Also, if you like this episode, please leave your likes and comments. We really appreciate this and this makes us to record even more videos for you. In today's video, we would like to discuss what types of installs our service provides and which type exactly will suit your application according to the needs you have and according to the aims you would like to achieve in your mobile app promotion. So first of all, we usually mention that the main service we provide is keyword promotion. So it is logically that the first type of installs we provide and would like to pay your attention to is keyword installs. As you may see here, these installs can help your application to get and to reach top positions in the list on Google Play and App Store. So if we are talking about keyword install, there are some peculiarities. As you may understand, the application is downloaded after the app is found by particular search request, but at this stage, we would like to discuss the benefits of ordering keyword installs with our service. First of all, we can provide quite huge amount of installs daily, what is extremely important especially for app store keyword promotion where some hundreds or sometimes even thousands of installs may be needed to get the top. Also, we can offer huge amount of available regions for promotion. It is almost 100 regions available. So basically, you can cover the promotion in different regions where your application may be popular or where you would like to increase your positions. Also, it is needed to mention that together with this, you can use our free analytical services to analyze the positions and to check the ranks for any keywords you would like to check for. So here you may see an example of keyword promotion campaign. You see that all the installs are going after the app is found by particular keyword. So you may see that there are search requests added to the campaign. It is needed to mention that such installs won't bring your app any stable users or in-app activity because these installs are supposed to be used only in the cases when you need to increase the app positions for keywords. So it is important to remember that when the application is downloaded in such a way, the application isn't used, so no in-app activity, the application is opened, it is kept on the device, and after this it is deleted. And in such a way, this process is completely enough for Google Play or App Store algorithm to understand that the application is becoming more popular for particular search requests and to increase the positions. The second type of installs we provide is package ID installs, and here you may see the example of such campaign. Package ID installs are performed with the help of the direct link to your application on Google Play or App Store. So in such a way, this type of installs doesn't influence the position for the keywords. But anyway, the application is downloaded. The difference between keyword installs and package ID installs is that with keyword install, the application is downloaded for particular keywords, but with package ID install, the link is put to the store, the application information is found with the link, and after this it is downloaded. So it is logical that with such type of installs you won't get as well any in-app activity or the usage of the app. These installs are supposed, for example, to increase the amount of total installs you can see in developer console. The last type of installs we have is installs from CPI campaigns. So basically these are installs from the ads which are shown on different platforms and users which are already not controlled by the platform or by any service. They see the ad, click it and download. If we are talking about the aims you can reach with such type of installs, basically the most important aim is that you can get more installs to drive in-app activity, for example. The second aim is important for Google Play, and basically we have CPI installs only for Google Play Store, that this type of installs can help you in indexation process. So after you optimized an app, by the way, you can check one of our videos about this from Keyapp Academy. After you optimized an app, and if you want to get into the list of 250 apps for the particular keywords, you can start CPA campaign, and in such a way Google Play algorithm will see that there are some install the application, get this installs, and basically this activity should lead to the indexation for the keywords. Also, these installs may be used to increase your ranking in category, or just if you want to attract users, interested users in your application from specified region. We should understand that these users can be really interested in your application, as before installing the app they see the ad with your app and they click the ad. So after this they download it. So these users in most cases are interested in application, but they are not controlled, so we cannot push anyone to download the app. And in the case with CPA campaign, you pay only for install, so you do not pay for clicks or etc. To get some more details about pricing for keyword installs and for package installs, you can go to our website and go to the section prices, where all the costs may be checked. Do not forget about our advantages that we provide free analytical tools. We provide free personal support where your personal manager can lead your campaigns, choose the strategy, and create the campaigns for you, as well as to choose the keywords for promotion. Also, we have bonus program, referral program, and we have discounts very often both for regions and for top ups. If you need any help with keyword promotion, strategy choosing, please contact our support team or your personal manager who can assist you. We will be happy to help get top positions in the search with Keyapp.